glaucoma, or in Indian language it is called Kach Bindu. Glaucoma happens when the increased in intraocular pressure. Just as you have blood pressure, you have pressure within the eye. And when that goes up, it can irreversibly damage your optic nerve or the nerve through which you see. The normal pressure of the eye is between 16 to 20 millimeters of mercury. If it is going above 22, 24, 30 or 40, it can give rise to permanent damage without you even knowing. Unfortunately, in open angle glaucoma, there is no pain and no symptom. Patient does not have any complaint. If there is a family history in mother, father, maternal or paternal aunts or uncle, please go and get yourself examined immediately if you are above the age of 35. If you have plus number or a minus number. There are two kinds of glaucoma, angle closure glaucoma and open angle glaucoma. Both could be very dangerous. And I have patients who have come to me that while driving, doc, I cannot see from the side. I've been missing out. And this is how the field of vision goes down. So there is increase in intraocular pressure, field changes, cupping or damage to the optic nerve. These are the three triads of symptoms which happens in a patient of glaucoma. Highly avoidable. If you are aware of this and if you seek treatment in time, you will not go blind. There is an old Indian myth saying that if you have glaucoma, you will definitely go blind. No. Today you have first line of treatment, second line of treatment, third line of treatment, fourth line of treatment. There are excellent medical drops available to reduce your eye pressure. And if none of these work in combination or by itself, surgery is a very good option too. Do not neglect glaucoma, be regular with your drops. And what we tell our patients is that even if you forget to eat your meals today, don't forget to put your drops. Every single day, those nerve fibers can die and there will be irreversible blindness. You have modern computed tomography which can pick up loss of optic nerve fibers very early and help you to treat. The first and the best treatment of glaucoma is early diagnosis. Do not miss out. Check yourself out regularly with your eye doctor. Get your pressure examined, get your field test done, and get your optic nerve stability test done. If you do this, you'll never become blind. Glaucoma not to be neglected, especially if there is family history, if you are a diabetic or if you have plus numbers.